Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we have the awesome Huawei Mate 20X 5G. So we've been waiting for a 5G phone for a while and we've been telling you guys that we're going to get one. We've had some 5G devices and now we've actually got a 5G compatible phone. This is an awesome phone, Huawei Mate 20 5G. We're going to unbox it, show you what's inside and go over some of the specs, some of the stuff we like and some of the stuff we think could do with some improving really. The pros and cons of the Mate 20X 5G. So yeah, let's just go ahead and we'll unbox this bad boy now. So as you can see from the outside of the box, the Mate 20X has sort of got that sleek design that Huawei have been going for recently. This is a black box though, so it's different. See, it's got the triple camera, all your info here. So yeah, pretty simple. I'm just gonna pull this open. So here we have it, the highly anticipated Mate 20X 5G. Comes in this emerald color here. It's a great looking phone. You can see it's got the triple camera on the back there and that sort of quad setting. So we'll go over the phone in a minute. For now, I was going to go over some of the box contents. So let's put this phone to the side. So what's inside the box? Again, it's that Huawei sleek design. So you've got divider, and you've got your SIM card ejector tray inside the sort of pouch, which is typical of Huawei. Inside there, you've got your phone case and all your warranty and quick start guide information. Then you've got your supercharger, charge up your phone super quick, although this isn't the Huawei branded supercharger, this is a super fast charging unit anyway. Then you've obviously got your USB Type-C connector cable and you've got your Huawei earphones. Unfortunately, they didn't include some free buds, which is what I was hoping they'd be inside here, but yeah. So that's the box contents. We'll just chuck that all back in there and we'll move on to the phone. So the phone here, what we're gonna do is pull off some of this protective gear so we can get a good look at the phone. So there it is, emerald green there. I think what they call the type of tempered glasses in the back of this is fingerprint proof glass. I don't know how effective it is, but usually I leave fingerprints on here. There doesn't seem to be any. So what are the first things you'll see? What you'll notice is this is a big phone. Let's see if we can bring something to compare it to. I've got an iPhone 11 here and you can see the size difference of this phone. The Mate 20X is a whopping 7.2 inch display. So that is a huge display. It's more of one of those phablets, or whatever they're called, phone tablet type things, rather than a phone. One of the downsides, I'd say, is you probably struggle to put this in your pocket. It is absolutely ginormous. Power this on now. Now, one of the questions we were getting about this phone is, will it run on HMS? No, the 5G Mate 20X runs on GMS still. So you still have your Play Store, you still have your Gmail, you still have your maps. So here it is, all powered up. There's the screen. First things, we don't have a headphone jack. You have a USB-C port here. The earphones you get within the box are USB-C earphones. Obviously, the fingerprint scanner, unlike other Huawei models, is not within the screen. So on previous ones, you've had it here, where you just put it on screen. It's actually on the back here. For someone with slightly smaller hands than myself, you would probably struggle to reach that fingerprint scanner there. So I would say that's maybe a drawback for some people, not for myself obviously, but for some people who have smaller hands, you probably won't be able to reach that. The camera. Now, the camera quality on this phone is absolutely epic. It's a 40 megapixel camera followed by a 20 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel sensor camera. So the camera quality on this thing is incredible. Flipping it over, the actual home screen camera is a 24 megapixel camera as well. So again, an incredible camera on both sides. We're just going to throw quick images in here in a little video of a test of this camera like we did in a previous video, so you can see the actual quality of this camera. Now, before this was released, there was a rumour of the size of the battery, and people were saying that you have to sacrifice battery size for a 5G model. Now, the 4G Mate 20 did come with a ginormous battery. This has also got a huge battery. It's a 4,200 milliamp hour battery inside this, so it will not run out for a long time. That's an incredible sized battery for a phone of this caliber. I guess it probably needs that to run the 5G speeds and to communicate with. It's got previously with 5G models, they had to have two chipsets. They had a 3G/4G chipset and a 5G chipset. This model actually has a combined Kirin 990 5G chipset inside it, so you'll be able to access those 5G speeds when they roll out, or if you're already in an area that has 5G speeds. What we'll do now is show you a quick speed test of the 5G speed you could expect on this Huawei Mate 20X 5G. So we'll throw up a test now for the speed 5G and show you what you can achieve. Now, as you could expect with a phone of this size, the weight of this phone, it is heavy. It's a 233 gram phone, that's including the battery, so it is a heavy phone. But you could expect that from a phone this size. Now, when this phone first was rumoured and released, it was about around £1,000 for this phone, and some people who were really interested in those 5G speeds probably would have invested in this, but for your average day user, I think £1,000 for a phone like this, I probably myself wouldn't pay that. But now the price has dropped significantly, and we actually have this on ephones.com for an amazing price. We have it at $649.99. You can get that from today. We have it now in stock. Obviously, it's the first 5G phone, as I said, that we have on our website. So if you're looking for those 5G speeds, I would advise to get yourself over there and pick up one of these phones. The camera quality combined with the amazing processor and the 8 gigabytes you get of RAM with this phone, it ticks all the boxes for me, really. The only drawback I had, again, was the screen size, but to me it's actually okay. I mean, if I'm going to type, it fits. I'll give you an example. If I'm going, say, to Google and I want to type something up like ephones.com, I'm currently not connected to the internet, so it shouldn't search, but I don't have an issue typing. It's all fine, I can reach every area, so it's all right for me. But some people have complained saying it's a bit big. I did think you could put it to the side and have it sideways if you were struggling on applications such as Google. It's extremely good for gaming. Not that I do a lot of gaming on mobile devices, but games such as PUBG have run perfectly on this phone, and with the big screen size, it will keep you competitive in that field. So I'd advise checking that out if you can get your hands on one of these to have a look at, maybe in one of the stores or on ephones.com. We will have it down in the description below. So as far as quick reviews, we just basically made this video to do an overview of this 5G product. We are going to do a part 2, so if you have any extras you want us to go over, please leave them in the comments below, or just message us and we'll tell you and we'll include it in our next video. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I know as I said, it's a short video. It's a short, quick, concise overview of this one with a few sort of speed tests and camera quality tests of this phone. Some of the standout features, as I said, such as the 5G and the incredible screen quality for the size of this phone. So that's about it really for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more, subscribe. As I said, when we make a part 2, I'll leave that in the description below. Any comments, any feedback, please tell us. And again, you can get to $649.99 on ephones.com right now. Will be linked in the description. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.